everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can easily change your profile picture in Parler. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just go left top corner and then click profile, and right here you just want to simply click on a picture that you got here, right? Go settings, right top corner settings. So click on it, click on your picture and right top corner settings. And here you just click here and just click choose photo. Yes. Files. I don't know what I'm going to have here. Yeah, that's down there is mom with me. So I'm just going to add this picture here. And yep. And voila, here we got it, save. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.